And activist, the incomparable Sabeloh, and co-studio presenter, renowned actress and adored singer, the beautiful Mabhunu.
It's not every single day that you get to host an award ceremony with the Queen Mother herself. Oh, thank you. Give it up for Sabeloh, Beyonce. So, for economic development, tourism,
I thought I'd warn you.
Okay, no, what happens in television stays in television. It is such an honor to be here tonight to celebrate the compelling talent KZN has to offer. The future of this industry is in the hands of the youth. And this first award is sponsored by Gagas FM Best Student Film. The nominees for the Best Student Film are directors and artists at the cutting edge of creativity. Their passion is going to get them far. We look forward to seeing them on this stage and on our screens in the future. These are the nominees for the Best Student Film.
Affirmation and Smoke. Amandine. Renaissance. Stray.
Ini ada motion.
All right. The Sabelo for Best Student Film goes to, I hope you see the bell. Amandine.
to the Lord. And thank you to the cast and crew who worked so hard on this film, literally shedding blood, sweat, and tears. Yeah, so thank you so much.
And a big thank you to After, Janet, Richard, and everyone else. And especially to Kishan and Ashlyn. You guys are amazing.
This next award honors entrants from the Devon Metro Film Award. The entries are considered based on the best use of a limited budget to create an amazing feature film. The nominees for the best micro budget are
Ikayalam, Mashal, Stranger Danger,
All right. The best Sabelo for best micro budget film goes to Ikayalam.
Ushilo wathi ngizosuka la ngila. Hey, sokulandela nathi.
Igama liSipho Mkhize, ngidabula endaweni yaseHowick. I'm a filmmaker, I'm a director, I'm a producer, I'm an actor as well. What made me happy kanjena into eyi-one of ukuthi I was waiting for this award. And into engayisho ukuthi the award from 2015 until now, this is award number 11. Thank you so much.
Oh man, you gotta love President. Oh yes! Now this one's an initiative of the Department of Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs and are implemented by the KwaZulu-Natal Film Commission. Mr. Simon Mabhunu, Sabelo, whose one of the Film and Television Awards are named, was a legend in both big screen and television.
Yes, not only was he South Africa's first black film director, he also had a long and successful career performing in over 34 movies, both nationally and internationally. And to tell us more about his initiative, yes, give a round of applause for that. Yeah. Thank you. And to tell us more about his initiative, please give a warm welcome to one of South Africa's greatest supporters of the film and television industry, chairperson of the KZN Film Commission. Welcome, Msori.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. I would like to start by sending our deepest condolences to the Piri family, that is Ray Piri. May his soul rest in peace, and may they find comfort in the fact that he really made his mark in the entertainment industry. I would like also to extend our warmest welcome to our friends from our continent present here today. Hope your visit to our province is an unusually beneficial one. It warms my heart to see how the Simon Sabelo Film and Television Awards have evolved over the years, from the number of categories who were just 5 in 2014 to 18 in 2017.
All year round, the warmth of this province can be seen through the warmth and the welcome smiles of its people. Yay! That's us much. A big thank you to the Department of Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs, together with the Catering Food Commission for making.
Let's take a look at the nominees.
Imbali Gabata. Inkinga Isibongo. Trust no one.
And Sabelo goes to Inkinga Isibongo. Sanibona. Igama lami nguXotsilo Mhlomo. Thanda ukubonga uNkulunkulu. Indlela izinto ezenzeke ngayo nangendlela esiwenza ngayo amafilimu ethu ukuthi nathi bakwazi ukuthi basibone sigcine sesimla. Uphinde ngibonge ubaba wami. Uyena ungifundisile ukwenza umsebenzi, ungifundise yonke into from scratch, imini ngidirector ifilimu, imini ngibhalayo and everything else.
Angibonge umninimane ongabonga. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nakuSabelo Award. Siyabonga kakhulu uThixo abe nani. Siyabonga kakhulu.
As the Commission, we are striving to ensure that our content reaches all our